Unfortunately, we have some more injury news coming out before the Detroit round of Supercross, and that is Red Bull KTM has announced that Aaron Plessinger is out for this weekend after his crash and DNF at Birmingham on Saturday. Now, it's been a pretty crazy year for him with a bunch of big crashes, and the last two rounds not exactly going pretty great for him, finishing 19th in Indianapolis and 21st in Birmingham. Not exactly what you'd want at the moment. Even so, at the moment before this weekend, he sits 10th in the overall points at 99. And sadly, I mean, this is something that a couple days ago he posted on his Instagram saying, quote, "Going to try and ride Thursday and head up to Detroit to give it another go. Thank you, everyone." Now, that was 2 days ago on his Instagram. And as of today, which is Thursday for me, tomorrow, Friday for you, it has been announced from KTM on their Instagram saying, quote, "Red Bull KTM factory racing rider Aaron Plessinger will miss Detroit's 11th round of 450 SX this weekend. Still feeling the effects of crashes in recent weeks, the Cowboy intends to reset and give his body an extra week to heal up. We'll see you back on track soon, AP." Now, he posted on his own story saying, quote, "An update for you guys. Gonna miss Motor City this weekend and give my body some rest. We'll be back soon." Now, obviously, if you missed this, he went off the track, and as soon as the broadcast showed him, he already had his boot off and he was limping. It didn't exactly look great. Hopefully, it's just, it is what it is. It's a continuation of crashes to make his body, just sore enough that he's doesn't feel healthy to ride. Now, and also in his post from 2 days ago, he described the crash saying, quote, "In the main, I was near the top 5 and just came around to the long rhythm, end up hitting a rock on the first triple face and nose bonked the landing and took another hard hit. Something felt off with my leg from the way I landed, so I hurried and got my boot off just so worst case they wouldn't have to cut it off." Now, that's strange to me because factory support, you think, what would you really care about these boots? But maybe you've got them worked in just the way you want, and I don't know. It sucks to see. I mean, obviously, we're getting into the time of the year where a lot of these guys are having some sort of lag or nagging injury, or just, you're getting tired, beat down. What are we, around 11? So they've been going for a while. You think training every single weekend. You've had the one break already for the week, but it is one of those things. Injuries happen. Sadly, it's just a part of the course of the sport that they do. And hopefully, knock on wood, it is something just sore. A cumulative pain of the last few weeks of crashes and everything, or this year of crashes, and he won't be out for long. Obviously, you never want to see anybody get injured, especially I don't, because from the fan side of things, the most guys competing creates the best product, the most competitive races. That's just overall the best thing for the sport, to have as many people riding as you can, especially these guys that are on factory bikes that should be racing for top 5s and podiums and potentially wins. And hopefully, like I said, it's just a one-round thing and you can heal up and be back again. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. How well do you think Chase Sexton does on his return? Who do you think wins the 450, the 250 titles? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.